Alright, so Patrick Powell was convicted and sentenced to 9 months at hard labor for failure to hand over the firearm that was used to murder Kajil Mays. And the Gleaner wrote an article saying this is a warning to all firearm holders. Like it is a warning to all firearm holders that what? That you will be given a slap on the wrist if you murder somebody in cold blood and don't hand over the murder weapon to the police. You see them rich people who own the Gleaner, and them rich people who grow and kill people, and them above the law, and them are do all sort of criminal activities in the country and not get punished. You see how them incoated with them one another, them still are referred to this junker as businessman, like them still are presenting to society as some upstanding citizen or businessman. You mean the old murderer, the old junker, the old dog murderer, who no give gun for go kill off people picnic. And the damn Gleaner warning shot. So it's like them must set up the story as like them try to say some form of justice was issued out or some form of punishment was granted. No, giving this murderer 9 months in prison it is less than a slap on the wrist. That less than giving somebody time out. That is like a vacation. You attack somebody will take the life of a little youth. And at 9 months him get out and have the nerve to present that story like him actually get punished for the deed with him though. Like yo, Mr. Rich people get away at every every aspect of society them get away, because I don't know how the paper really are reported that way there. Anyway, to the story now. Oh, shouldn't this firearm charge be the first part of the trial? Right? First part of the trial. Failure to turn over the firearm, we are going to try upon that first. If you not turn over the firearm, we are going to try upon that first, and we are going to convict you upon that. Right? And now that you're in a jail, we are going to proceed towards the murder trial. So we know say the gun you use commit the murder. You're not hand it over. Me don't want to hear no story after that. Why you not turning it over? What are you hiding? Simple as that. Simple as that. Me don't know why was this not done first? Why them wait till after them let him go? They make him get away with murder, then them a triumph on this and like them want to celebrate the conviction as some form of victory for people who are seek justice in a situation. That is nothing to celebrate. Because all it do are upset me. All it do are upset me. Because this make me know say the justice system knows say this man is a criminal. Them know say this man guilty of the murder. And them find a way to let him go. Them devise a plan to let him go. Because our Jamaica is a country where licky. Them licky, everybody just licky. From you can grease some people palm, you can get away with anything. And that's why the society is so lawless. So it is a joke when you have the Prime Minister pretend like say him a go fight crime. When you have the people them in charge of law enforcement pretend like say them a go fight crime. The only thing them do is keep poor people in check, and that is exactly what them a do. When them say them a rob how much 20 how much $billion for crime offensive. That is just robbery, because there's no way you can serious about fighting crime and announce to the criminal them say, yo, I am going to come in here to your community and such date. Because if I am a criminal in that community, all me do, me just take a vacation with all of the money where me extort from people. And for all of the assassination them me do for rich people, me just take the money there and me go chill out somewhere on a beach side or in our next country. Till the police don't do the foolishness what them do. You cannot expect to have a lawful country when in a clear-cut case such as this, we see the government letting a murderer off scot-free and an innocent school youth who had nothing to do with any conflict is dead, and there is no justice for his family. How you expect the little criminal them in the ghetto for respect no law? People see how it operates, people understand, say this is the system we live under. You get by however you can. Just don't get catch, that is it. It's not about we are trying to build a better society and we create them liar and we are going to abide by them. We see clearly that some people are above the law. And it's just certain people that the law only certain people are subject to the law. Others can just circumvent the law, just go around it and skip over it and ignore it and all of these things. So me really I wonder what them really expect. What them really expect of other people when it clears the system set up. Alright? To support criminal activities, to support murder as long as the perpetrator them have little money, them can get away with anything in the society. So it's not a matter of we have a society where we're supposed to abide by the law. We have a society where certain sector of people supposed to abide by the law, and the rest of we just rule over one and do as we please. It's a free for all in this section of society. We just need the police and we need the soldier them to prevent uno from disturb our peace. But we can come and we can shoot a little school youth and we can get away with it. No business, man. That is how really promote as businessman. When you have a different, you can't just call a man by his name. Boy, this thing upset me still. This thing upset me. Anyway, you have any thoughts about this topic where we shouldn't even talk about? Please leave a comment. Blessing.